What's up, guys? Today we're going to show you a hack to save some time on your Instagram hashtagging. So we're in our Google Drive. We're going to copy a set of our hashtags that we already have saved in there. And this is going to show you how to, instead of copying and pasting, you are going to be able to automatically populate the hashtags in. So we're going to go to our General tab once we have those copied. Then we're going to click Keyboard. From Keyboard, we're going to go to Text Replacement. And then we're going to add a text replacement. So hit the plus button. And in the phrase, you're going to paste the hashtags that you just copied. From there, in the shortcut, you can name that whatever you want. So for us, we're going to name it GHM number 1. You can also name this by content like videos, photos, graphics, or different segments of your business. Now we're going to go to our Instagram. We're going to create a post. We already have one created, saved as a draft, and we already have our caption started. At the end of our caption, we're going to put our hashtags for more engagement instead of doing it in the comment. Right now, we suggest 27 hashtags per post. From there, we're just going to type in GHM number 1, and the iPhone has already saved that into your keyboard. So then once you do that, you're going to click in the middle, and that's the suggested for that short key. From there, it automatically populates into your caption, and now we've got all our hashtags without having to spend a lot of time doing it.